DecoNetwork makes it easy to add animations to a row of content and/or a page itself. So how do we do this? Well, simply select the page you want to edit. Then we can drag and drop new content on the page or select the page we already have. And when I say select, we can select the widget. So that would be the blue here, or I could select the row. Now, in this case, there's only one widget within one row, but maybe we go to, for example, we'll go to the contact page or the about page. And maybe we have, here I have this whole row and I've got an image here and I've got buttons and I've got headers. Well, I could do animations to the entire row. So I could come in here to layout, entrance, and have this whole row do something. Or I could select the different widgets. So you saw that faded up or rose up. So within the entrance animation, slide in from the bottom, while this text over here was sliding from the left. So I could control the different elements or the entire row. It's all the same way. So we'll come in. Let's go ahead and just drag a new piece of content. Come in here to panels, design your own. Let's just do this how it works. And for this whole row, for example, I can come into layout properties, entrance animation, and let's have it slide in from the bottom and bounce. Voila. And let's make the how it works at the top. Let's make that do the opposite. So within the entrance animation, instead of slide in from the bottom, we'll slide that in from the top with a bounce. And let's just keep this line here the same, so it kind of looks like they're both running into it. So we'll preview this. And it's going to do it as we get to that piece of content. And you can see it did it pretty quickly because we were already there. But the how it works slid down, the 1, 2, 3 slid up. It's really that simple. Select the row or select that piece of content, layout properties, entrance animation, and select how you want it to enter from an animation standpoint. If you have any questions on how to add an entrance animation to a row or a specific piece of content within a row, simply visit DecoNetwork's help resources and/or our YouTube channel. Thank you.